This is the National Radio Local News in English, broadcasting every weekday at 1 p.m. and 7 p.m. on the frequencies of AM radio 918 kHz and FM One Phnom Radio 105.70 MHz in Phnom Penh, capital city of the Kingdom of Cambodia. First, here are the new headlines.
សម្ដេចអគ្គមហាសេនាបតីតេជោហ៊ុនសែន decides to suspend schools in Phnom Penh and Kandal province and ask people in the province to suspend their entry into Phnom Penh city. Deputy Prime Minister, His Excellency Oun Puan Mani-rot, urges Ministry of Public Works to prevent overweight transport. And His Excellency Minister Chia Van Det and His Excellency Khuong Sreng chair a meeting to promote the use of QR code technology, prevent COVID-19, stop COVID.
The Prime Minister of Cambodia, Samdech Akek Mohasenapadae Techo Hun Sen, has decided to suspend both private and public schools in Phnom Penh and Kandal for 2 weeks. Samdech Akek Mohasenapadae Techo Hun Sen has asked wedding organizers, if possible, to postpone the event. If this is not possible, reduce the number of participants to a minimum. Samdech Akek Mohasenapadae Techo Hun Sen issued this measure via a special message sent to his compatriots last night of February 22, 2021. In a voice message in response to the outbreak of COVID-19 in the February 20 community event, Samdech Akek Mohasenapadae Techo Hun Sen asked people, especially tricycle, taxi and pass app riders who are involved in the February 20 community event to go to the hospital for health check-up and have the 14-day quarantine. Samdech Akek Mohasenapadae Techo Hun Sen also asked the people in Phnom Penh, if not necessary, do not go out. Samdech Techo Prime Minister requested the ministries and institutions to consider suspending some programs as well, and online meeting should be the option. Samdech Techo will also consider suspending his programs for 2 weeks. Samdech Techo Prime Minister requested the Phnom Penh Municipal Governor to continue distributing face masks to the people and ask the people to continue to use masks when going to public places. In this audio message, Samdech Akek Mohasenapadae Techo Hun Sen asked those in the provinces, if not necessary, to stop traveling to Phnom Penh to reduce the risk of transmission.
Deputy Prime Minister, His Excellency Oun Puan Mani-rot, Minister of Economy and Finance, said that overcrowding is becoming a disease that destroys roads and urged the Ministry of Public Works and Transport to continue efforts to prevent this problem, especially to reform the steering committee for the inspection of overweight vehicles. This statement was made when Deputy Prime Minister, His Excellency Oun Puan Mani-rot, representing of Samdech Techo Hun Sen, Prime Minister of Cambodia, presided over the closing ceremony of the annual meeting of the Ministry of Public Works and Transportation in 2020 last Wednesday at the Ministry of Public Works. Deputy Prime Minister Oun Puan Mani-rot has issued a number of recommendations to the Ministry of Public Works for the implementation of the work in 2021, in which he also urged the Ministry of Public Works to continue to support and promote the structural reform of the Steering Committee of Overweight. The minister also called for the strengthening of the work of the team to inspect vehicles for technical defects and all relevant authorities to work hard to improve and strengthen the working mechanism further. His Excellency Seng Chun, Secretary of State at the Ministry of Public Works and Transport and Chairman of the Standing Coordinating Committee of the Overweight Transport Inspection Committee, said that in 2020, a total of over 2 million vehicles were inspected.
After Somdat Akek Mohasena Padaydejo Hun Sen, Prime Minister of Cambodia, announced the approval to use QR code technology, prevent COVID-19, stop COVID, nationwide on February 21, 2021, His Excellency Giovandet, Minister of Posts and Telecommunications, and His Excellency Khong Sreng, Phnom Penh Governor, presides over a dissemination meeting on the use of QR code technology for 14 district administrations within municipality. Through this system, people can be scanned when entering a place and can be notified immediately if the location has an infection. On that occasion, all district governors were committed to encouraging businesses in all districts to use this system. So far, there are more than 3,000 public and private institutions, restaurants, hotels, and factories have registered to generate QR codes. Once again, the Ministry of Posts and Telecommunications calls on business owners and institutions to use the QR code, prevent COVID-19, stop COVID in their places to work with the royal government in order to prevent the spread of COVID-19, as well as greatly reduce the economic and social impact of the epidemic like other countries.
This is the National Radio Local News in English, broadcasting every weekday at 1 p.m. and 7 p.m. on the frequency of AM Radio 918 kHz and FM Wat Phnom Radio 105.70 MHz in Phnom Penh, capital city of the Kingdom of Cambodia. Our English transmission now comes to a close, and please stay tuned our French transmission in the next program. And thank you for your listening, and goodbye.